Mencos! Mencos!
Where that one? Come for deal with some more business.
Well, really and truly, it's like this. The business what we are dealing with, I don't feel like say want me to stop and too much work on my hand. You understand me? I say, you pressure me on different dimensions and you know what I mean, you have life easy and you know, based on how things are move, I don't think more move forward. Yeah, I believe say it gonna make sense to me. You understand? So
Okay, hold on. That you say? I think you have a full understanding so this is the type of business we're in now. And it's something where you can come out when you feel like you come out and that's how it work.
well, alright, you know, it's the sense of that, I have to give back the things you won't give me. You understand what I say? Because I need a vacation, I'm tired, brother. You understand what I say? I'm not tired, I'm tired, I mean say.
You carry umbrella, girl, you want me to carry
can't make people see me with this umbrella up and
I'm gonna go look.
So I'm in a love care go now when me and you go to girl.
So we carry me for them. Girl, I don't feel like we go nowhere. My energy just don't feel right.
Look how far we are walk from and you come right as enough it up and just up the so we are go.
Say me tell us that my energy not feel right. We are going to force me to come.
I can't believe I am my sister.
Take it, galang, galang.
You cannot best until me come back. So I bike this a woman him drive. But see care right this also. Look like he care you like drive. The bike look good though. Brooke! Where's the lady I know? You me a call her. Brooke!
Hello.
Come here, man.
I'm tired. Come in the yard, man. No dog, no dog, no vampire fi bite you. Come. You go on like you not always come down here.
Is there?
Everything in there?
Everything in there, man.
So, why this stair? You open it? Why you going there?
I'm not open in, but it did open. And I just look. I did one know where I can come give. I have to look. I have to peep a little bit.
Sash, you see them here something here? You know how much mill feet? As small as you see this, don't take it simple. Millions for this. You don't have no right to go in there.
I never go in there, you know. The box did just lift up a little bit and I just peep and look what in there. So I have to know I can come give.
You take me feed that, don't?
Relax now, Brooke, man. You know me and your virgin, man. You're not fair deal with me, so.
Me and your virgin, of course. But my girl, this thing important. That's something when me no want nobody see.
But I just me and you see it.
You can't tell me that. Because me no know which part of the road you out me to your little dirty idiot friend them there. I know you come and tell me, tell me about like me an idiot. It just did open wide open by itself and you just take a little peed.
The box did just lift up a little bit, man. Like so.
And you still want to open it again.
So I don't know why in there.
What is the problem? Why in this for you? How much money you put in this? What you going to achieve from this? Me tell you if you carry something come give me, you know, and you get if it deliver and you come with one line story like me a fool. Sash, don't play with me.
So ain't true me I tell her, Brooke?
Truth, you get this seal. You're supposed to deliver it how you get it. This open, look, see tear there. The way you're fast and inquisitive, you make sure say you're teary. If you look away in there.
I know me tear that, you know.
You want to tell me say so you get this?
Me pick up it from the post office, so you have to go take it up with them down there.
Sash, it's like how you feel say. You can use your crayfish brain for me. Remember me no dunce. Me no fool. And you little knee compo can try to use your little crayfish brain for me. You no get this so. You still like how you think you're smart and you're clever, Sash. Hear what me I go do now. Like how me and Bridging and you say so. Yes, me I say so too. Me and Bridging. Listen to this now. Me broke. Nah, but I pay you.
I mean,
Style me.
so you mean you're not pay? Me have to walk in a hot sun, look on the big old umbrella me have to
Style me. Right now, this look different from how me supposed to get it like miss no tight youth. Style me. Such if you know so you take out something out of this, you better go carry back and come give me.
No come out tight.
Right now, sitting missing from out tight, me know what me supposed to get.
So me walk come down in vain then.
And you should have known that before you pull people things. You understand?
Go for me money now, man.
Go for which money? You better you go for me things, come give me. Deliver everything we're supposed to in the package before you get a dime from me. Yo, come out of my yard, you know, before me get ignorant right now. And you know my style, you know, I'm not joking. No skin teeth, no skylarking. Me need me things.
You see me a laugh?
Me need me things, right there.
Everything in our package.
All right, in there? Me soon come, stand up this one, don't move.
Easy, man. Easy. Everything good, man. Respect, man. Everything, man. Don't worry yourself, man. At school, man. You know, after dinner, everything alright, man. See? Me at least take conversation, man. Don't worry yourself. Me deal with it.
Hey, the girl don't know what I'm doing now.
At school, man. Come here, mama. How are yourself, man? We're good, man.
You don't control your woman.
And I'm a woman, yeah? It's just that I'm a virgin. And certain things are going on in my life now. I have to just kind of stay and lay low. I can't go which part I normally go and thing. Even this thing is my thing, you know. I understand, say, you know, you open it and so forth. You open it?
As me I tell her, I don't open it. It just did a lift up a little bit and I just look what in it.
Alright, no worries, man. Because if you're right at the window here, I look out upon you and I say, I like your energy for some reason. I like your vibe and, you know, sometimes you can't be too hard on people because people do make mistakes at times. So my name is Public. What's your name?
Sash.
Sash. Nice to meet you. You know
Nice
what I
to
mean?
meet you too.
I don't know if by some chance we can even take your number, talk to you because, you know, I don't want a person I do them job and end up leave on a bad note.
You understand?
You understand what I'm saying? Possible?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's put your number on that phone. My wildlife is the only way to survive. You see how the thing when you write in shirt? Alright, mama. I say, Sash.
Alright.
You me go do? How about me call you tomorrow?
Yeah, man, that good.
Link up. That good?
Alright.
Nice to
Alright.
meet you, you know.
Alright, Public.
Take
Yeah.
care.
Alright.
I'll see you soon. Alright?
Alright.
Sash, from man, tell me say from man, me left you not do nothing in the house. What happened to you? You're pregnant?
Billy, you kill me, man, and I can't do.
Girl, every day your belly a kill you can't do. You just lazy, you don't want to do nothing. You stress me out like I'm the bigger one. Everything me have to come in and do.
But you don't understand, man. You don't know my belly a kill me, man. And you come from school and stress me out.
And you are stress me out like I'm the bigger one. I'm not the bigger one. Every day I come in, every evening I come in, me have to tidy up the bathroom, come pretty bed, wash up the plate them, and I you feel do that because I you there here at daytime.
So if me sick out, what you want me to do?
Every day you're sick. There's never one day you're never sick.
Come on, like I not get in your head, you know.
Right now me have to go cook.
I be a flour around there, I don't want more flour.
Look here, our run there we have to eat.
And you wanna go eat, me rather dead for you hungry.
Oh, okay. So you don't want to eat? Sister, you make this thing hard for me, you know? You pressure me. Imagine me as a young girl, me I try to be successful. You know, when you usually go to school, every day you fight and you get kicked out of school. You can't go back to school.
So where all of this for now? Where I bring up all of this for now?
You're supposed to help me. I cannot do this by myself. Me I talk to you, did this a rock like in a rocking chair.
Come like your bell never had you yet in your life, you know. You talk about fight at school. Remember say you me a protect you know? Remember say you can't fight, you can't mash hands. Nothing me have to defend everywhere me go they want to fight you have and me have to run in see then all of that will happen that's why me there so.
You can't go and talk, you know.
Go and go cook your flour and leave me alone.
You just don't understand. You make this thing harder for me. Look for the dirty place. I don't like living in a dirty place. You're nasty.
Every day you come in, every day you come in. Come trouble people. You don't go and about your business. Hello? Oh, what going? Yeah man, everything good. Yeah man, tomorrow bright and early man. Actually, you know, I'm glad you call me, you know, man. From morning, me day sick. Yeah man, as me say, tomorrow bright and early. Alright, go and hold it up. Yeah.
How are you get ready for go?
Girl, me go up on the road.
We are on the road.
Me a go out, man. Come here, fix this. Fix this.
So, Kupani blows are crush. I say, yeah, we go up on the road.
Remember, like, gun, man. Show me the pan ears.
Your blows crush bad, man.
You chat too much, man. Come.
So, you never say you're sick. So, we are going now.
Remember, today, yesterday, different day. Me a go up on the road now. Soon come back. Me run late.
Yesterday, you did sick and all of a sudden now, you feel better than up on the road.
Waiting, man. Can't get certain place.
Me finally reach. Fuck me up.
You know I'm not like wait so long, that's true.
So you be so far?
You know I'm not like wait so long, don't it?
So where is it go?
A piece of road, man. So what take you so long? I call the phone and get the phone.
I left my phone on charge.
You know, so you can't do them something. Today I blow day, you know.
It looks so true.
I say it looks so. I feel cold up here, that's how it looks so. I'm to you. Something wrong with it? So make a text now for coming.
My sister did give me a hard time for left out of the house.
That the sister there?
No, Z man.
So make you give a hard time, you a hard time.
Can you ask me every minute where me I go?
So she don't know what me? You know about me?
I tell her nothing.
A secret business then?
It's not a secret. See, you want everybody to know?
I not everybody, but at least a sister to know. So you have to know, say, we, a food thing this, or my thing is alone, or what?
No, I feel we.
Exactly, so you make it sound like, say, you don't want to tell her, make sure you know. Your sister have to know, somebody have to know.
So we, I don't know.
You want to eat some food, you want to eat some food?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
So what you feel for?
Some curry shrimp or something.
Curry shrimp the fever? No problem. We can go back to the same place. You want to go back to the place?
Yeah, come now.
Oh, my good man.
No, look why me I'll get penny.
Yeah, because I know what go on, you know, if I've got already. But a long time they're saying they're not supposed to do so long. So, do it the fast. Ramp with me now.
Come now.
You want to make sure you take me serious, you know?
Come man,
you take me serious?
Yes. Yeah, keep up time.
You look nice.
Thanks. So, pan wall, we can sit down?
Our best place, them.
Pan wall?
I mean, we can't go to one restaurant.
Why?
I don't know anything already. Nobody go see you a certain way. We have one pass, you know. Not a problem.
Give me.
So I'm going to tell us right now, I say, we couldn't really go to place because can't bother with the attention and the people who watch you. I don't know who's around me. I don't know who is who. Because my past, I know one day might catch up on me, but I don't want to catch up on me with you. You understand? I'm going to take it serious, man. That's what I say. And if you understand me, I say to you.
Me I hear you.
Yeah, but you don't respond to me. That I don't like. Sometimes you just look around. So I don't know what you think.
Sometimes I don't like to talk much.
What make?
I just want to stay.
No, you have to unstay. You have to go unstay because there's a noise. As me tell you, my past, I do some crazy stuff. See? I'm never really see myself have a stable relationship, like a serious one. But meeting you and talking to you, everything changed. Some me just, it's based on how many judge people when them quiet. Them a pray me, or them a look upon some negative vibe and want to try your shrimp now. Free try your shrimp. I didn't want to, you know, style me a certain way. I always want to know why in your head. And why you talk to me. You understand me, I say, babe? So what you feel?
I feel alright.
No, I'm not talking about alright. How you feel about me?
I'm gonna feel take time to feel the connection.
You sure?
Yeah. Come never in the front part, I never let her feel it.
But you know, I'm rate you. Because you know, really no friend like that, you know, keep friend. And that part, they kind of, you know, hold me.
My sister and my friend.
Exactly.
As much as we can agree.
But I'm glad they bring up a sister, so why you keep me a secret from she? You know what I mean?
I'm not ready yet.
What do you mean not ready yet?
Remember, we just get to know each other.
I tell you. I'm going to be honest, you see, you're sexy, you're pretty and all these things. But there's just something about you that connect me to you and I just can't resist. You know what I mean? Can't resist. You know what I mean? And that just have it away.
Yeah. Try food.
I feel like I'm going to bring it home.
Yeah, bring it home.
Yeah, man. Can I bring home for you if you want?
Alright, make
we
we do
stop
that.
on next place and can finish eating because you don't know anything already.
Yeah.
So, babe, I just want to know if you take me serious, you know. You understand me? Come closer, you afraid of me?
No.
So, can I come closer? I tell you, if you understand how you make me feel, some job, take a quick.
So what we are going to do now? You bring me back home?
You want to go home now?
Yeah. I'm going to check on my sister. I'm going to leave her one night, also I need to tell her where I go.
Alright. So I'll do it again now?
Yeah.
Sure?
I'll text you.
Alright.
Come, so I'm ready now. You ready?
Ready to go?
Yeah.
I'll come care of you.
Jesus Christ. Mighty God. Jesus Christ. Baby. Oh my God. Don't tell me if I go eat the Korean milk, man. Do something I can't agree, man. Care. Ugly girl now answer me. Care.
Awa, where you coming so far?
Relax now, man. Come here, my sister. Please.
Awa, no.
Can you make a ginger tea for me, please?
You never want to tell me which part you go, but now you call me.
Relax now, sister, man. Go make a ginger tea.
No ginger not there.
Yes, ginger did them a buy it.
No ginger is not there.
Look up on the top shelf, no, man. You don't look for nothing, no, man.
Oh, go and go make yourself then, like you have attitude.
Go make a ginger tea for me, please.
How much you pay me?
Please. When my belly get better, I talk to you about that. I can't talk to you about that part, you know.
No, I want the money first.
I give you $5,000.
5,000 even too little job.
Relax,
But
no,
I'm going
man.
to make you look like somebody I did. You come.
Oh, I hate this. Thanks, thank you.
So you still not tell me where you come from?
You still up on that?
Yes, because I want to know. Me I call Uncle Charles.
Who you call Uncle Charles for? Oi. I can't talk to you now. Let me drink a cup of tea. So they say I got to know?
Me wait for the answer.
What answer?
Where you come from? And where you come?
You have my parents?
It doesn't matter.
Me go up on the road go check somebody.
Check who?
Since you insist, me go check my boyfriend. His wife.
Oh wow, you have man now. Make sure you don't make a man give your belly.
Oh, them forgive me belly and belly I heard me from yesterday.
Or you don't make no dirty careless boy out the breed you.
See you ever come in here with your foolish. One in your room, Nana? Where you sit down here so far?
I want the money.
Remember say a card me use. You say you want me to go back on the road now?
So make you never tell me say you never have the money when me did I'm gonna make it tea.
Relax man.
Look here, me want the money so you make me do it for them.
And normal something that you could make little tea for me?
Look here, when you come on to money I don't play.
Jeez. I say I did still?
Yeah, what you mean by?
I mean no say if I did you, no complain.
Look here, no make tomorrow morning pass I'm gonna get the money. Don't promise me nothing I'm gonna get it, yeah?
Tomorrow you're gonna get it.
Look here, don't play with me. I should put more extra salt in that tea.
You see you put no time I say tears, so you're wicked in a girl.
No man, I'm not putting no salt in your tea, girl.
Come on, go on, bye.
Sarah, sir.
Go in your room now and give me a little space.
Tomorrow when you go draw the money, put one little extra $5,000.
Yeah man. Nothing go man. You? Take money from me. I get that money. Love money too much.
You're alright, that's your girlfriend and sister live there.
Girlfriend and sister live here, sir.
Yeah, so here what you do. But find a way to get to him. Some things say easiest way to get to him. If you try to look the sister and get now a relationship with her. Even if I bribe you have to bribe her or whatever. Get now a relationship with her so you can get closer. You see me?
I just the two of them live.
Yeah, just the two of them live.
Alright, no worry yourself, boss. I figure something out. Because you can't, I think saying can't run up on you if you saying can't just get away with it. So don't worry yourself, man. Me deal with it.
Alright. Alright, so we just have to just deal with it, alright?
Ah. Yo, man, tell you, you know. The reason I call out as a still like I want to show you vibes because you're the only person I can really trust on certain things. You remember Menkos? From my boss. Shoot him, you know. Get him out. Yeah, man, because I want to come out of the game and I can't get a chance. But I don't know how to really stay loose, man. I'm going to stay at your place a little bit longer. Yeah?
What problem you and him in and make you end up having to shoot him? You couldn't talk about certain things and make it done right there, so you have to kill him, man. Now in my yard, you want to come stay. You come more from these people, watch you come on me and trail you, go inform upon you and make police come antagonize me. How you go? I mean, them go interrogate. Are you?
Yeah, you have to understand this thing. So how else me if you come out of the system? The man tell me say, yo, until death. So if he must say until my death, just take him out first. So that me I talk about.
Well, me understand say you're threatening your life. When you have to kill him?
So how else a man I go stop? A man say me can't come out of the system. You know, you hear me I say to you. Come like
You not hear what me I say. Him threaten your life and tell you, say, you not come out of the system? Okay. So the only thing you can think in your head is to take film life first. Why you never leave the area completely and not come back? No until if I fly out. You have to think to go kill, because you have killing spirit in you, you need to get it out. I mean, I uphold with you, and you're killing thing. You understand? You never have to kill him, my youth. I'm not telling no lie, me a friend long time, but you never have to kill him.
Alright, enough of that. Here we go. I see all the girl, see girl who come jump up with something. You say me and she start talking a little bit. I don't like her still, but
my spirit can't take that the girl there.
What make?
Miss Francie come with me with the package we give you. Miss Spirit just can't stand the girl. He just look like one little general and one little liar.
Yeah, man, that's wrong smile that man. Shit, no, she ever do. At that I think, you know, but it's when you get to talk to her, get to know her, get to understand
So
what she's all about. And
hold on. You never come see me and her talk. Me talk to her.
Yeah, but you're
me
ignorant.
feel out the girl brain, me search out it.
No, you're ignorant.
And me realize that she tell me, realize that she never pull the package and I see a big tear pan and she open it.
You see a girl nervous. You have to give people a chance, man, and stop the foolishness.
You go give her a chance.
Yeah.
You like her. You want to go there with her.
I mean, a reason because you understand everything. Remember, you know, transparency is the best thing, you know.
Yes.
So you have to understand so that me I try to get with her, but it's like you don't want that.
You.
Can you? What a vehicle look like a main cost vehicle? How much vehicle is it having?
I know maybe you sell it to somebody. And I have to eat vehicle favor vehicle and I can't eat too.
Then again, I'm not supposed to open up, so you know. I know, so I'm and my girl have to link up an idea. You know, how me work, so. But it look like a main cost vehicle.
So you just sit down so like a fool?
No, so make it turn back.
See me and tell you, my youth, what you do? What you do?
Yeah, babe. Yeah, I'm ready already. Meet at same place. Alright. Alright, now come. Is what?
Anyway, you go, me I come to.
Jesus Christ, you're coming like a hands.
Where they go yam food and make you run your belly. Me want nice food for yam too. If I so be the case, my belly have to go run too.
You cannot come, Kerry.
Let me make sure do my ear for now, you know. I look good already, so you don't have to fix up more than that. You ready? Come
You don't
on.
have class.
No school and keep today.
You can't come at business, man.
What you mean by? Me want nice food for it too, so come. Where you go last time?
You come back with that again?
Anywhere you go, me I come.
You cannot come.
You will find out today, yeah? Come, you not ready?
You can't come at dangerous something.
Me you can deal with the business.
Alright.
Come.
Alright. So me know want you. Come on, come. So my foot there. Go for one. Come on, my foot, please. Go for your rag now. Come on, girl. Time I'm going now.
Hey, you go need to watch.
What I didn't like a bit.
Boy, I feel good at all.
A little bit cold there.
But you enjoy yourself?
Yeah, I'm really cool breeze. Really nice.
Babe, I know what I say. You know body make me feel that way. Like you have you know what I call, you have something more you want hard into this. You know, just figure out everything. No problems and so You come here, sir.
Same coming for you.
You see me, sir? So right now, you make me change the life. I feel like I'm going to go to church right now. I'm going to praise the Lord.
The connection stronger now than before when you just start.
Right, if you talk about connection. It's really and truly, you may tell me, son, the next time we meet up, you make it do certain things.
You did have to remember though.
I mean, you can't forget that every time you see you remember that.
So which way we are going to go?
You're going to beat the river this way.
No.
So you're going to beat first.
But nobody is there, so we can do it.
So we can do it then.
Can I come?
Yeah, right now.
Baby, how long you have a care now?
Long time I had a care, man.
So if me never say I to you next month, you do some back I.
Of course, when I say it,
I'm like you know baby son.
long time I had a care, man. Long time I day in the streets.
So you don't want me?
Yes, mom. Tell.
So you don't want to come upstairs?
Come on.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
You ready for it?
Mm-hmm.
So come now. And make sure you can do your thing that come like a little man thing them.
Mom, tell babes, you go on like man a punk.
Because a fat man don't really have it.
Mom, tell man,
I'm
you
gonna
act
go up
like,
there go flap yourself.
you act like me a punk, man. Come
So
on.
come on baby, so why you going so far? Come on, let's go.
Please enjoy yourself. And if your sister, you think she get the food?
Yeah, she get it.
You sure?
Yeah. You know, stop work with them then.
What do you mean? You're mad. Anything can happen at any time. You're on the road stay.
Yeah, draw attention to you.
Are you alone know about this? Because, you know what I mean? You can feel you in a buffer and thing.
But it had show through your clothes.
I say you alone can see it warm to you.
Alright.
Thank you for starting earlier, you know. Enjoy myself. So, I didn't think I talk about, you know.
At the right timing.
Feel good, man. And I didn't talk about it. If you rate a man and love a man, you have to show him some loving, you know what I mean? Can make it the ultimate connection, you know, which is me and you are a band together. You understand what I say? Enjoy yourself, though.
Yeah.
Sorry, I come quick. What? You have a problem?
Yeah, I play that now, man.
Like something good, something good, me for this, you know what I mean?
You play it hot. And if you buy fun.
Hmm?
If you buy fun.
You know, say the fan broke down. And I forget the fan, and every time I come out of the house, I can't remember to get the fan. You know, I'm sorry, see your sister up there, because if she never up there, we can go do all the next thing, you know, fast. What you say?
She up there. She in her books because she have exam.
Take off something, man, in the hot, babe. Take off the thing, man. Take it off.
Make it hear me alright.
No, you know. Oh, look how you sweat.
I want to keep it
That's
on.
why in a place you sweat, so I want to take off your clothes.
Me did have one sweater.
What you mean? You don't want to take off your clothes?
Me did take off my sweater. You blind?
Alright, you messy. Tomorrow, same time.
Hey, come! You, go on inside.
Me have some what
I didn't
this.
want that team.
You really can't go on man of me, huh?
Yo, no.
That's what you want.
Hold on.
What make you come that way, babe? What make you move? What make you do that? She said, I love you, yeah? Let's go see me love you. What's a car now?
Dear gunshot. Lord Jesus, sister!
Yeah, them some badness can't stop. But did you stop to think about the decision you made to put you in that trap? What's next? Tell me. Badness.